Hey guys. All right, well, I've been busy. You can see, look at this, aisles, actual aisles. Well, that's mostly an aisle. That's pretty clear. It's just I do need to move that extra stuff there because of my impending fire inspection, which I need to pass, obviously. Anyway, I did get something off of eBay. Normally, I do not do videos like this, but I do want to document this one because this really feels like it wasn't packed too well. And so I want to get this on video. It is, I'll tell you what it is, no surprise, it is another PC radio, or radio PC, I forget what they're called. Anyway, this came up on eBay, and I so rarely buy stuff from eBay, but this came up, kind of not a great description. All it said, I think, was PC radio, which means it's not going to get picked up by a lot of people's search terms. And so, hey, I put a fairly low ball bid in, and I was the only bidder, so I got it for $15. So it's might be in a little better condition than mine, and it has some of the bits that I don't have, like the handle of one of the thumb screws. Might have the battery cover too, but I figured, you know what? It's close, it's cheap. You can see I didn't pay a fortune for shipping there. And yeah, I took the labels off because, well, privacy reasons, even though, yeah, I'm pretty easy to find. Anyway, let's open it up. Because, yeah, it feels bad. And I do want to get this. Okay, this is interesting, trying to do this while holding the camera. Gotta use the knee there. Pro tip, never use cardboard boxes that were in the food industry. Why? Bugs. So this is going right outside to go to the recycling dump. Wow. You can see, yeah, it's styrofoam, which is not a bad thing, but it looks like it was beaten up. But let's open this up. Oh boy, yeah, I see. Uh-oh. All right, well, I don't like how this is packed. I mean, good thing that they use the bag around the unit to keep all the little beads from coming out, but you know, there's a lot of airspace here. All right, yeah, look at that. Come on, guy. This was not packed very well. You know, not an F, but maybe like a D. All right, well, let's inspect the thing. You know, I knew this was going to be a little scratched up and ugly, but, you know, hey, that's, like I said, it's mostly parts. Okay, yeah, hold on, let me get, hard to do while holding the camera. There we go. Okay, well, we have the handle. Got a thumb screw. I think the other thumb screw was missing, so I'm not sure if mine has that or not. I'm not sure, but in any case, the handle, which is good. And oh, this is the entire battery, I think. Okay, well that's good. Battery's probably dead, but you know, mine doesn't have that at all, I don't think. It's been a bit since I looked at it, so I have to make sure. Yeah, it's not in great shape, but I kind of knew that. So, you know, I can't complain about condition or anything like that because I bought it for the parts. Ah, there we go. PC radio, focus you. Okay. So, it does look like it survived. Hold on, I got to put this down to open this up. So, look at the bag. That. Am I going to edit that out? No, of course not. Okay, yeah, and it has the printer cover, which is another thing that I didn't have. So, yeah, if you want to see my video on this weird laptop that IBM made, which is sort of a PC sort of thing, these were actually made for, you know, in industrial settings. So it is a tough machine, but you haul this around the warehouse and you take inventory and stuff like that. And the whole radio PC bit is because it has a radio link. So you could use this extremely remotely. There were 3 different types of links or data links this could use, and I can't remember what they are right now. So hey, maybe I ought to watch that video of mine from about 1.5 or 2 years ago. But yeah, like I said, I bought this for parts, and it indeed does have the parts. However, I'm very disappointed that people really need to know how to box better than this. I mean, it's a nice sturdy box, that's good, but a food box, which is never good. I mean, really, don't get your boxes from the grocery store, or in this case, probably, a convenience store. This is going right outside, because who knows what's inside? Like cockroach eggs and things like that. But yeah, it really needed to be packed a bit better. Oversized box, which is good. Yeah, I'll say that. But, there was just too loosey-goosey. Yeah. But, yeah, I guess I'm pretty happy with the machine. Yeah, like I said, I didn't expect much, but it was cheap. So I put a lowball offer so I could get some of the parts, like the cover and the handle and stuff like that. Oops, cord, get out of the way. Yes, oh, my mic fell. Well, I hope the audio's okay on this. All right, guys. I guess I'll see you later. Bye now.